Have you ever felt the pull to start your own business but didn't know where to begin? You're not alone. With 2025 just around the corner, the world is changing fast, and so are the opportunities to launch something truly game-changing. Whether you want to innovate, solve real-world problems, or just break free from the 9-to-5 grind, now is the perfect time. In this video, we at ProfitPowerhouse are about to walk you through 20 unique business ideas for 2025 that are fresh, future-ready, and built for success. Let's explore what could be your next big move in the world of entrepreneurship. 1. Smart kitchen appliance retail. Imagine running a store that specializes in smart kitchen devices like AI-enabled ovens, intuitive air fryers, or automated coffee machines. In 2025, people crave convenience, and tech-savvy home cooks are willing to pay for it. Position your business as a one-stop shop for next-gen kitchen innovation. 2. Eco-upgrade home services. With environmental awareness at an all-time high, starting a business that offers green home improvements could be a goldmine. Think solar panel installations, sustainable insulation, or water-saving systems. Help homeowners lower their carbon footprint while growing your profits. 3. AR-enhanced travel app. Why just read about a place when you can experience its story in real time? Build a travel app powered by augmented reality, giving tourists immersive cultural and historical insights while they explore new destinations, a perfect blend of tech and wanderlust. 4. Virtual fitness challenges platform. People love a good challenge, especially when it comes to fitness. Create a platform where users can participate in workout challenges, compete with friends, and track progress. Offer rewards or badges to keep engagement high and health goals in check. 5. Biometric data protection services. In an age where our faces and fingerprints unlock our devices, privacy is everything. Launch a digital platform that lets users take control of their biometric data, keeping it encrypted, secure, and away from prying eyes. 6. Digital Nomad Hub platform. Remote work isn't going anywhere. Develop a digital space where freelancers and remote workers, aka digital nomads, can network, swap travel tips, and find reliable places to live and work around the world. 7. Portable water purifier rentals. Travelers and adventurers often lack access to clean water. Solve that with a rental service offering compact, efficient water purifiers. Perfect for hikers, campers, and international explorers. 8. Home spa and beauty booking app. Bring the luxury of spa treatments to people's doorsteps. Build a platform where users can schedule massages, facials, or salon treatments from vetted professionals, all in the comfort of their homes. 9. Biometric smart security solutions. Security tech is a booming market. Dive into it by developing biometric locks and access systems for homes and small businesses. Offer high-tech, user-friendly protection that brings peace of mind to your clients. 10. AI-powered handwriting analysis tool. Use artificial intelligence to interpret handwriting and provide insights into someone's mood or personality. Market it for fun personal use or as a tool for educators, therapists, or even hiring managers. 11. Mobile gaming accessory brand. Mobile gaming is massive. Tap into that by creating accessories that improve the experience, like ergonomic grips, cooling fans, or multi-angle stands. Build your brand around performance, comfort, and style. 12. AI relationship coaching app. Relationships can be complex. Why not use AI to simplify them? Design a coaching tool that analyzes communication styles and suggests personalized advice. A smart way to bring tech and emotional intelligence together. 13. Sleep enhancement product line. From smart lighting to calming sound machines, there's a growing demand for products that help people sleep better. Offer innovative, science-backed solutions that tackle insomnia and improve rest. 14. Subscription-based epic rentals. Urban dwellers are shifting to greener transport. Launch a subscription service for electric bike rentals, targeting city residents, students, and eco-conscious commuters looking for cost-effective travel. 15. Vertical farming setup services. Urban agriculture is on the rise. Provide ready-to-use kits and consultation for vertical farming, perfect for small apartments, offices, or restaurants aiming to grow their own herbs and veggies indoors. 16. Peer-to-peer skill-sharing network. Think of this as the community classroom of the future. Create a platform where people can teach and learn practical, hands-on skills from one another, whether it's woodworking, coding, or even cooking. 17. Sustainable baby product brand. Parents are actively seeking eco-friendly alternatives. Launch a product line that includes biodegradable diapers, toxin-free wipes, and organic baby food. A green baby brand could be both impactful and profitable. 18. Personal finance coaching for Gen Z. Young adults want to be financially independent but often lack guidance. Create a coaching service tailored for Gen Z, focusing on savings, budgeting, and investing using digital-first content and social media strategies. 19. Metaverse Interior Design Studio. As virtual real estate gains traction, people want their metaverse spaces to reflect their style. Start a service that offers creative and personalized designs for VR offices, lounges, or art galleries in the digital world. 20. Customized meditation subscription. Personal wellness remains a massive industry. Launch a guided meditation app or platform that tailors sessions based on the user's current stress levels, mood, or goals, whether it's better focus or deeper sleep. These 20 future-forward business ideas aren't just trendy, they're tailored to where the world is heading. If one of these sparked an idea or inspired your next big move, don't keep it to yourself. Drop your favorite in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse so you never miss our weekly insights into entrepreneurship, innovation, and winning in the business world. Your journey starts today. Let's build something incredible.